everyone! I decided to switch things up a little bit this week, and I'm going to teach you a new song out of our hymn book. So this is Voices United 383, and it's called Wa 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 Emimimo, which is in the Yoruba language from southwestern Nigeria. In English, that translates to "Come, O Holy Spirit, come," which goes along with our John reading for today, so it fits nicely. I'm going to teach you the Yoruba language here for this song, so be brave, we can do this. All right, here we go. So here are the lyrics. Let's just go over saying the pronunciation. So here are the actual words in black, and then I wrote them out in gray with the way we would pronounce them to kind of help you out. So I will say the first line, and then you can join me in the second time here. So, wa 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 emimimo. Okay, together. Wa 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 emimimo. Good. Second part sounds like this. Wa 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 alagbara. Your turn. Wa 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 alagbara. Good. And the last line is wow, wow, wow. Easy. Your turn. Wow, wow, wow. Great. All right, so let's just say the whole thing together from the beginning. Here we go. Wa, 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 emimimo. Wa, 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 alagbara. Wow, wow, wow. Great. Okay, so let's put this to music. So there are two parts. There's a lower part for kind of the male voices or the lower female voices, and then there's a higher part for the higher, more soprano type voices. I will teach you the lower part first. So that's my note. Men, you are actually, you'll be way further down there, but I'm going to teach you from up here. All right, so the first line sounds like this. Wa, 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 emimimo. Join me. Wa, 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 emimimo. Second line. Wa, 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 alagbara. Join me. Wa, 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 alagbara. Last line. Wow, wow, wow. Together. Wow, wow, wow. Good job. All right, let's start at the top and sing it all together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Wa, 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 emimimo. Wa, 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 alagbara. Wow, wow, wow. Awesome, good job. Let's do it to a beat. Here we go. Ready, go. Wa, 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 emimimo. Wa, 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 alagbara. Wow, wow, wow. Awesome. Okay. Higher parts, so the female higher voices. We're up here, sounds like this. Wa, 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 emimimo. Your turn. Wa, 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 emimimo. Second line. Wa, 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 alagbara. Join me. Wa, 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 alagbara. Third line. Wow, wow, wow. Together. Wow, wow, wow. Great, let's start from the beginning. Whole thing, here we go, and 1, 2, ready, go. Wow, 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 emimimo. Wow, 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 alagbara. Wow, wow, wow. All right, to the beat. Here we go. 2, 3, and 4. Wa, 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 emimimo. Wa, 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 alagbara. Wow, wow, wow. Great job. All right, so let us move on. So don't forget, this is the starting note for the lower ones. That's the starting note for the higher ones. So I put together a couple of sound files. The first sound file has the low voices on it already, so we could just layer it so the higher voices can sing with it, so that you kind of get an idea of how it sounds with other people. And then the other one has the higher voices on it, so the lower voices, I'll sing with them to kind of give you an idea again of how it would sound in a room full of people. So let's start with the low part. So high voices, you're going to sing with me when I bring you in, okay? Here we go. So this is the low voices. 1, 2, 3. High voices. Wah, 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 me, me, mo. Wah, 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 da, ba, da. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Again. Wah, 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 me, me, mo. Wah, 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 da, ba, da. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice job. All right, low voices. I will play the high recording, but I will sing with you on the low part. What's your starting notes? 1, 2. Here we go. Wah, 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 me, me, mo. Wah, 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 la, ba, da. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Again. Wah, 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 me, me, mo. Wah, 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 la, ba, da. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, how'd you guys do? Awesome. Okay. All right, so this is, I also made a sound file of all of the whole thing, so both the low voices, the high voices, and then there's this little leader part, but we won't learn that, we won't worry about it. Let's just get the lower and higher parts figured out here. Okay, so pick which one you want, or which one you've been working on, the low part or the high part. The first time through, I will sing with the high part people, and then the second time through, I'll sing with the low part people. But they're both there, so you'll have some sing with you. So both are on the sound file. All right, are we ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wah, 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 me, me, mo. Wah, 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 la, ba, da. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wah, 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 me, me, mo. Wah, 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 la, ba, da. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How'd you do? Yes. Okay, so that was super fun. I hope you guys had a great time. You have learned a new song. There is a second verse, which I'm not sure if I mentioned or not, but it is the English verse. So the English translation is, "Come, O Holy Spirit, come. Come, Almighty Spirit, come. Come, come, come." Or, "Come, O Holy Spirit, come. Come, Almighty Spirit, come. Come, come, come." And you have learned an entire song in under 10 minutes. So good job. I promise you, one day we will sing this in church together as a whole group, and it'll be awesome, and we'll remember these days as long gone and a memory, and focus on the benefits and the good things that came out of our isolation time. So I will post a video with the whole song on it, with all the words, the Yoruba language as well as English, and I hope you can sing along, and I hope you have a really good time with this song. All right, have a great week, everybody. Bye.